Will heap a lot of praise on them. It's like when my puppies go outside, and they keep going to give them a lot of praise and make them feel like they're having a little party, even though, it's nothing. And we'll do that for you. 855-765-1045. Also on the way, Bill Blitzen. It's August, and we still don't know who the vice presidential running mate for the Democrats is. We still may not know for another 2 weeks. The first thing we heard from Joe Biden was that it was going to be this week. Now we're hearing it's next week. And we have an idea who the top 5 candidates are, but we're not really sure. We're not really sure which one is going to be the final choice. And typically, by this time in any election, if we are within 100 days of the election, we're working on 95, 94. We should definitely know who's going to be. We know it's Mike Pence for the Republicans. Who's it going to be for the Democrats? The convention is right around the corner. And typically we know before the convention. And keep in mind, the convention was already supposed to have happened. It was supposed to have happened last week before this whole COVID-19 nonsense pushed it back and pushed it back. So we're not really sure what's going on. But apparently there's some last minute pandering and maneuvering and jockeying for position. And Joe Biden, who supposedly is the guy